Pre-Hurricane Dorian. We've been waiting for this storm since Friday and Saturday. I was supposed to get mandated for work Sunday, didn't. And then today, Labor Day, I'm off as well. So we're just chilling at home. Skies are kind of gray, but it's nice. They were saying it was gonna rain. It's been raining on and off, so we decided to come to the park. 5-minute wait times for pretty much everything. So we're like, let's go take advantage, ride all the rides we can, and have some fun. So I think at least 10. We're gonna try to do 10 rides in 4 hours. Let's see if we can make it happen. All right, we rode Rip Rocket. No wait at all. We literally walked right through and got on. So now we're doing Jimmy Fallon. Should be ride number 2. What's this?
It's a game.
Never seen this. Oh, wait, boy. Get the monkey out of the way.
What do you do?
Oh, that's dope.
Tap and hold.
You gotta jump over the stuff.
Oh, you have to collect the thing?
You can move over.
You have to hold it to move.
You can tell you're not an avid gamer. Panda bear. What's up?
Hashtag
Here we go. Ride number 3. Ride number 3 in about 40 minutes. This is 10 minutes. But we've been here for 40. And we're 3 rides in. 3 rides in. No waits. I love it. Park is empty. We got the whole street to ourselves, pretty much. Beautiful weather. It's super cool outside. I wish it was like this all year round. But I think this week is supposed to go back up to 95 degrees after the storm leaves. So definitely enjoying this pre-hurricane, pre-fall weather. It's the best. We found this little... So this says you found me. Floor rocks.
So look, so when you go like this,
it says,
and then you go bounce.
Keep me or rehide.
Ooh, I didn't do that. Let me see.
And we found it tucked away in this little alley.
I found it.
Oh, you found it? New York alley.
Let me see what it is.
What are we gonna do? Hide it?
Keep it.
Or keep it?
It's super cute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, I wish haircuts were still 30 cents. I need that back. $2.50 for the ladies. No waiting. I don't know, that seems before time. Usually now everything is no waiting. Again, literally. We haven't waited in any lines. Straight up.
Force of humans and Autobots to protect Earth.
I wish it was like this all the time.
Who are intent on destroying our planet.
Feels like you own the park.
Hurricane Fast Pass.
Hurricane Dorian. Fast Pass. Dorian. All right, so everybody says that Fast and the Furious is a terrible ride. I'm about to ride it for the first time. And if it really is that terrible, it's a disappointment. This ride has so much potential. They could have made it a roller coaster.
It's a 5 out of 10.
They could have made it like test track, like in Disney. Yo, they got their table, like in the movie.
Oh, I've never noticed that.
The winch, oh, with the wrenches in the little yard. That's pretty dope. Oh wow. Yo, this is sick though. The rating. waiting area is super dope. They have like car parts everywhere, vehicles from the movie, all different like intakes, mufflers, the lockers. Oh, look at the lockers with the names, Letty, Dom. That's dope. I like the way they did that. Mia, Brian.
Here, they're ready for the party.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister.
So Fast and the Furious, the best part of the ride was the line. It was the line, like going through the line was super dope. They had all the tributes to everybody, but the ride was like, it was like a remake of Disaster, the ride that was previously there, but worse. It just abruptly ends. And I'm a huge Fast and the Furious fan, I wanted to love it, but like there's screens on both sides, you're driving down the street for like a minute, and then just BAM! Over.
The screen is kind of
Wait,
dim
so
too.
what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to go?
Y'all let me down, Universal. Y'all could have done so much better than that. So much better.
We dropped the ball.
The potential was so high.
Oh.
Keep the line, make a new ride. That's my take. Just one? The
Okay,
two,
so what are we gonna do so
I miss
we don't waste
London. All right, let's go to Islands.
Okay.
No Men in Black?
Whatever.
You want to do it?
Yay or nay?
She
Nay?
said nay.
She said nay. We're not doing it.
We taking the train?
So the new Jurassic Park roller coaster is going to be in here. I think it's going to be a Velociraptor. I can't wait. Creeps me out, yo.
It does.
The Kong line. Ah!
Stand in front of you.
It's scary. I'm scared of the Kong line, low key. That freaking old lady creeps me out, yo. I've ridden this ride since it opened. I don't know if it was like a couple years ago. So no wait. Yo, is that old lady always there?
Yeah,
always. Yo, that lady gives me the EBGBs, yo. Oh, it fell! Ah! That's from the from Thor Ragnarok. This is a pretty dope store. Oh, look at the Deadpool face. Ride of the day. It's gonna be the Hulk. Got here at 5 o'clock, so it's been about 4 hours. And we've done, this will be our 9th ride. I wanted to do Doom, nobody else wanted to do Doom, so I'm a team player it. And we're just gonna skip it. So this will be 9 rides. I don't know, we might do the Hulk twice, so let's see. Yo, Hulk twice. 10 rides. We did 10 rides in 4 hours. But today, we might get like 10. I think at least 10. Yo, you can't even do 10 rides in 10 hours.
No, not on the
Nothing was
10
over
rides in 4 hours. It was perfect. Nothing was over.
Rides I've ever done.
No, we went and we walked right in, right?
Yeah.
We didn't even wait. They were like, here, row 8. Then we went back and we asked to be in the first row and we waited like 5 minutes for the first
the
row.
whole twice in 10 minutes.
Amazing. Our longest wait all day is a wait to get food. My sister's still in the line. My sister's still in the line over there. There you go. 30 minutes waiting for food. We're about to put voodoo donuts to the test, and the last time I had voodoo donuts was in LA. They opened the voodoo here in Orlando. We're gonna check. Let's see which one's better. I think they should both be the same. I don't think one should be better than the other. I know LA got better churros than here, but I think, yeah, or LA's churros are way better than Florida's churros.
Well, Disney's LA churros.
Oh yeah, Disney LA churros. But I think voodoo should be the same, so we're gonna check it out. I think it was Fruit Loops I got last time. I don't remember. Triple chocolate Cocoa Puffs.
Oh my god.
Triple chocolate Cocoa Puffs.
So we each getting our own?
You get your own, Amaris? Ooh, look. What do you want? What do you want? Which one's she getting?
Little pink.
Little pink. Yo, look at that, bro.
Go with the menu.
Yo. Fruit Loops. I think I did Captain Crunch last time. I can't remember, but I wanted Fruit Loops tonight. Bro. I got you. I can do it. I can do this. Just like this. We gotta get in. We gotta get together though.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let me let Danny get it. Danny get it. Danny, you got it.
Here, you get this one. I get this one.
Alright, you go first. First time, right? Yeah. Hold it. Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
That's a high ceiling. Look at that.
Are you gonna record?
One.
Is it recording? 2, 1.
Gabi, you didn't bite into it.
I know.
Man,
I feel like I need milk.
it's intact.
I don't know why I took yours like more longer last time. I tried to do you over than that, but it took way more chops than yours.
That is tall ceiling.
I went ham already.
Oh yeah.
That went hamburger. Which one you had in LA?
What's on yours, Amadi?
Is this one better or no? Or LA was really better? LA was better? I think it's similar.
They make them right there.
LA might have been a little better.
And they're warm. They make them fresh. Yeah.
LA might have been.
It's still amazing.
I don't know if it's in my head though. It might just be in my
It's still
head.
really good.
It's still really good.
1 to 10.
8.
That's
up there.
Like in milk.
Got a family universal picture. Super rare opportunity with nobody behind you because everybody's always cutting you off. The park is always packed. We can't ever get a good picture, so we just got back home a little bit ago, showered up, got clean, and I had an absolutely amazing and fun Labor Day with my family. I didn't really know what I was gonna do today. I woke up, I went to the gym, I did some reading, and the clouds were kind of rolling in and out because Hurricane Dorian is supposed to be here tomorrow. It's pretty much stalled out, unfortunately, over the Bahamas where they've suffered mass destruction. So we're praying for them. We're praying for everybody in the Bahamas. And when the opportunities to arise come to be able to contribute, if you're watching this video, take those actions, as I want to take the actions as well to help contribute, even if it's a little bit, canned goods, water, whatever it is that you can contribute to those people. Definitely do it. I've been seeing some videos on Facebook, and unfortunately the devastation looks really, really bad with that Category 5 hurricane pretty much just stopping right over the island. I mean, they just got battered for hours and hours. I think tomorrow the hurricane is supposed to be now affecting Florida and Central Florida, which is where I live. So I'll be going back to work. But thankfully today I was able to enjoy the day with the family. Had a lot of fun at Universal since everybody was kind of in hurricane prep mode or thinking that the hurricane was going to be in Florida already today on Labor Day. A lot of people didn't go out, and it was like getting VIP access in the park. The weather was actually beautiful in the afternoon and evening time. So it was like we weren't even sweating. It wasn't humid. There was a nice breeze. There was not many people in the park. So every single ride, we just pretty much went right up in line, went straight to the front and got right on the ride. So it was awesome. I've never experienced anything like that. But tomorrow I will be heading back to work. Everybody at the firehouse is going to be on an on-call mandate, and we'll just be serving and helping everybody who's in need. So thankfully my family is going to be with my cousins as well and my aunt, and they'll be with them riding out the storm. So praying for everybody in the Bahamas, praying for everybody in Florida. Grateful that I was able to spend Labor Day in a fun way, not dealing with a hurricane. The hurricane will be coming through tomorrow. Praying that the hand of God will protect us, that hopefully we will be spared suffering a lot of damage. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I know I've been away for a while, just been working, been doing a lot of stuff with church. God has been great in our lives throughout this whole time. We'll be going on a cruise in November, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm definitely going to be vlogging every day on the cruise. It'll be, we're going on the biggest ship in the world. If you know what ship that is, then you know what cruise I'm going on. If not, you'll just have to wait until the day that I post those vlogs. So hopefully I'm able to vlog before November, which I think I will. I always love picking up the camera. I always love interacting in the vlogs, and hopefully I will be seeing you all again soon. I hope that each and every one of you had an amazing Labor Day with your friends, with your family, or wherever you spent it. And I'll be hopefully posting an update video after the hurricane goes by. Keep us in your prayers, keep us in your thoughts, and hope to see you all soon again here on the vlogs. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button for us. We'll really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also hit that bell post notification alert button so that every time a new video comes out, you'll be sure to catch it. Alright, and remember, when your haters tell you no way, tell them yes way.